Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing my May BoxyCharm unboxing. I don't think I have any idea what's going to be in here. I did get the option to pick what I wanted in my box, but the thing that I wanted was sold out, so I asked them to randomly select what I got in my box. There is quite a bit of movement in here, so I'm really hoping there's nothing breakable and nothing's broken, but I guess we'll find out. I also noticed that I got an email containing the card, which used to be found in the boxes. Now it's in an email kind of format, which I guess I see that they're trying to reduce waste, but it does make it a little more difficult to do these unboxings because I'm gonna have to flip between the two. Very excited. Last month's box was really good, so here's to hoping that this box follows along and is also very good. BoxyCharm, for some reason, if you're not familiar, is a makeup subscription box that sends you almost always full-size makeup, skincare, sometimes hair care items, and you pay $25, get it monthly. You can upgrade to different kinds of boxes, and usually you also get a choice for one of the items inside of your box. All right, if you want to sign up, I will leave a referral link down below. I like to do this grab bag style, so I'm just gonna reach in and pull something out. Oh, we got one thing. It's a tube. It's a tube. Ooh, excited. Okay, so this is a brand that I have not tried before. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Maximum effort, maximum results. Blackcurrant seed oil. Okay, so is this I can't really tell if this is a skincare item or a highlight item. Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. It seems like this is a skincare item, which is cool. I've been very interested in trying out Wander Beauty for a long time. Here is a close-up of what the tube looks like, and then we'll get a little bit more information in the price in a moment. Okay, oh, we have something small. We have a Blink Black Lash Primer, Jet Black Volume. I don't really want to open this because I literally just, I think yesterday or the day before that, opened a new mascara. Black Lash Primer. Primer makes me think clear, but Black Lash makes me think this is a black kind of normal mascara. I'll have to do a little bit of research on this. If I'm not mistaken, Blink has made a tubing mascara in the past that I've tried and didn't really like, so I'll be interested to see how this works out. Okay, next. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, okay, this is exciting. So I've received one other thing from Dominique Cosmetics, and I've received one of her palettes in another BoxyCharm. Not the biggest fan of that palette, but I am excited to try more things from her. So this is, I don't know, what is this? Okay, there's literally no, it's some kind of lip product, I think, but there's no description. It really does not say what this is, but it is in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. So let's open her up. Oh no. This might be a lip gloss. This is like a Barbie pink lip gloss. I'm not gonna open it or swatch it because this is not my color tone at all. Here, I'll give you a close-up. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really cute, and I wish that I had gotten this in a better color, but this color is just not my jam. So that is a bit disappointing. Yeah, no. Okay, I think we have 2 items left. Let's pull this one out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this next thing. Okay, so one of the choices this last month was an Hourglass product, and it was sold out, or like it didn't let me click it, so I just decided to let the system randomly select something for me, and I have an Hourglass product in my hand. I'm so excited. So this is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I've been a lot more into cream products recently, which I think that this is a kind of cream product. Also, Hourglass is, I think, my all-time favorite high-end brand. So this is very exciting. I hope that this is an okay shade match for me. Pink Flash. Maybe it's more of like a blush. Okay, so here is the packaging. This is very reminiscent of their foundation stick, which I've used before. Ooh, ooh. Oh, cool. Okay, yes. So here is kind of, you can see what the highlighting stick looks like. It's a very light pink color, which will be fun to use. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this because I'm definitely gonna keep this. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Oh, that's so cool. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. I was really bummed when I saw that I couldn't select this because again, I assumed that they might have been sold out, but I feel so lucky right now. Okay, so those are 4 out of my 5 items. The last item is flat, some kind of palette perhaps. This is Beauty Creations Cali Chic. This kind of feels like very cheap Ulta packaging, you know? Okay, so the palette's not bad looking. This is what the inside looks like. If you look at this, no, I think it's this shade actually over here. It's got some weird indents in it. I don't really know what that's all about. It wasn't really packaged too well in here, so I'm surprised nothing is broken. I don't really need this. I don't think I'm gonna hold on to this. It's really pretty. I just don't have a need for this. I have a lot of warm toned palettes, and this is just not something that I feel like I need to hold on to. So now that we have all of the items, let me take a look at my virtual card. So we have 2 things that are the same price, and they are 2 of the things that I'm most excited about, which is great. They're both $42. So the first is the Hourglass Vanish Flash highlighting sticks, and then the other $42 thing is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is also $42, which I'm not totally surprised about because Wander Beauty is a little up there in price. $42 does seem quite expensive for this tube, but who knows, it might be the most incredible oil ever. We'll have to see. So both of those are $42, which is a total of $84 already with just the 2 things that I'm most excited about. After that, I guess the mascara, this is $26. Wow, so this is the 3rd most expensive thing in the box. Let me see what this says. So this says, Black Lash Primer delivers the ultimate base of lash fullness and thickness while providing a true black finish. Okay, so I don't know why this is called a primer. Impart long-lasting moisturization and conditioning to protect lashes from damage and environmental stresses. I don't know. It seems like a mascara that might have some benefits for your lashes. And then next we have, let's do the lip gloss next. So Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. This is $17. Lightweight texture that is non-sticky and flexible. I just really don't think that this color is for me. It's just, it's very Barbie pink, and it's just not my jam. Somebody else will hopefully like this more than I will. And then last we have the palette, and this, okay, this is only $14.99, which feels fine. I've never heard of Beauty Creations. If you have any experience with them, you'll have to let me know your thoughts. It doesn't look like a bad palette. We have a really good mixture of mattes and shimmers in here, and they look beautiful. They look like you can create some really good looks out of this. Very warm toned, very summer appropriate. It's just, I just don't have a need for this, and I don't have an interest in this palette enough to want to keep it. So this will be going to another home. But the 2 things that I'm least excited about and don't really want to hold on to are the least expensive things in the box, which is kind of nice. And then I've got these 3 things which I am going to hold on to, and I'm honestly pretty excited about. I opened up my very last mascara, so this will be nice to have a backup mascara for when I run out of the other one. And then I have a new oil, which I'm really excited to try out. I don't think I have an illuminating oil in my bathroom right now, so I'll get to use this. And then this is beautiful, and I'm so excited. This made the box totally worth it. Paid $25 and got a $42 product that I'm stoked about. So, you know, not a bad month. Oh, and let me do the math real fast to figure out how much my box was worth. $141.99, so $142. Really good deal. And out of the things that I liked the most and I'm going to keep, 110. So I think that I fared pretty good this month. If you've been getting BoxyCharm, you'll have to let me know what you got down in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to try BoxyCharm for yourself, I will have a referral link down below. I get some points if you sign up. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a referral link. So it's down there for your use if you would like it. If you want to see more videos from me, consider subscribing before you go. And I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.